Lifeline Tether. And in here, there's no debris that I'm going to sweep off on climbers below me or a leader. I'm positive there's no one underneath me thinking about those things. So I'll just toss this out. If there might be somebody below me or debris, maybe I just kind of toss it towards the edge, but not all the way out. Get myself a few feet over the edge, and then I'm going to come back to the anchor and fix the Lifeline Tether. Here we've got plenty of rope, so I'm going to do a bowline on a bite.
Debbie likes to tie.
Snap bowline or the speed bowline. Okay, so now we've got our Lifeline Tether there. I could go down to the edge if I needed to. Since I don't, we're going to go ahead and start building our V-rigging. So I'm going to take the other load strand of the bowline and start measuring out rope to toss down to the edge. And I need to get enough of a loop over the edge that I can tie a BHK, so I need a good bit of material. And then I also want to account for the chance that the terrain is kind of stair-stepped over the edge and I may need to get the master point below something. So a little more is better than less. Let me set that up. And here we've got the rope. I'll just go ahead and go back to this further tree for the other leg of the anchor. On a bite here since we've got extra rope. Cinched down, locked, functioning, system's closed, that's looking good. Before I go out to the edge, I want to prep my climbing rope. Here I can leave the rope back away from the edge and just pull it in. Something more featured with debris, I'll just carry it out to the edge and set it there. Same thing if there's little roots and things like that that I foresee the rope getting caught on, I'll bring it over to the edge to try to alleviate those issues. Alright, I've got both ends. I'm just going ahead and putting stopper knots in here so that if I rappel down this climb, the system's closed already. Just toss those over there and leave them. Good deal, now I'm ready to head on over. Depending on what the cliff edge is like, I may want to stay on top here and just pull everything into equalization and then drop the master point over, or I may want to go all the way over the cliff edge. Either way, when I get ready to start working, I'm going to go hands-free by putting overhand on a knot, overhand on a bite, in as a blocking knot behind the gree-gree. Construct a master point using a BHK. Pear-shaped shape locking carabiners for the master point. I'll clip in one strand of my climbing rope. Then as soon as I make that connection, I'll go ahead and lock these. And now to get both ends of the rope down evenly, I'll start feeding those together. As they're going down, I'll just shake them, knock them over ledges, things like that. To the middle of the rope there, we'll just double check our carabiners are locked and properly orientated with the baskets down. I'll lower that back into position. And now we could transition to a rappel using the Lifeline Tether, or I can step back away from the cliff edge and walk around to the bottom.